But first we do this one, because we have screws in here and here. And then we have a little hole here where I can put this in, or you can take this as usual and just do like that. And then we need to take this one up, just do underneath like that. Then we have the T30 Torx. That's one. And number 2 is here. You can leave that in there and take it out with the magnetic later. And now I'll use this one. You can use anything actually, just be careful not to damage the leather. Put in like this. Then we unhook this one. And then the connectors. Speaker. Speaker number 2. And you're done. And now we just install it the reverse order. This hook first. Checking all the clips are in here, and actually one clip is missing here, so I have to get that one. So this little clip had fallen out, so here we go. So the front door panels are pretty much identical to the rear ones. You take this one off, pop that up, take out the 2 screws. And one thing you can have in mind is when it comes to this speaker, you do not have to remove it. You can leave it like it is, because the panel just pops right out. And back here you have a little clamp that holds it in place, which makes you have to push the panel to the right. So when you pop it out, push it to the right and then take it up. And the reason for this is because of this one. It pops out like that, so that's why you have to turn the panel to the right. Then don't forget to put this one into the new one. And here you might think that, oh nice, it already have the speaker covers, but no, this is just for the standard Burmester. My speaker covers says high end, so this has to go. So when I bought these, as you can see, one of them did not have the high-end Burmester speaker. So these now have to be transferred to this one. So I have to modify this one and cut a hole here, so it works at least till I can find the correct one. So what are the differences? Well, as you can see here, it's just covered. And here it looks like this. So all this I have to cut up. And you are missing, of course, the module for the 3D rotary tweeter for Burmester. So I'll have to move that over. I will not move over the bracket, I will just move over the module. So this one stays complete when I sell it. So moving over the cables, module, cutting this up, and move everything else over to the new one. And since this door panel had the module for the Burmester, I have to move over this whole cable kit to the other door, since that is missing that. So now I made this one, so I know where the hole should be. I need to cut this out now, and hopefully I place it in the right place in the new one. So the holes are drilled. Now we just have to take out for these small ones as well. Now we have to cut this rear part out so the speaker can fit in there. And it's done. Speaker in, cable kit in. I glued that module in place. That one had come loose a bit, so I added some extra glue there. And then we have this part. That'll be fine until I find the correct one. that's how easy it is to remove and install a door panel. And since we're doing the door panels, why not add these projector lights? These project the logo onto the ground, and these are so easy to install. These are sold as OEM parts with the Mercedes logo, with the star logo, but since this is an AMG, I really like to have the AMG logo projected to the ground. So these are aftermarket ones, and I have to say the quality of this logo projection is really good. They are releasing a AMG version for the S-Class, but it's not available yet. But as soon as it's available, I will install that one instead. But this one will do just fine until they release it. So all you do, take a wedge. Just like that. Take the new one. And you're done. And that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like, and don't miss out on the Instagram account where you get some previews. And until the next one, see you.